Marketplace Spotlight today is in the sunshine of the Emirates Cricket Ground here in Old Trafford. It is lovely to be outside in the sun.
Yeah.
I'm here with Akbar from Comms Source. How are you feeling?
Yeah, feeling great. The weather is beautiful and met a lot of great people, and it's a great place to be today.
Can you tell us a little bit about what Comms Source does?
Comms Source is IT and Telecom company. We provide, since 2003 we started and provide IT and Telecom services to taxi companies. So we specialize on the full IT and Telecom solution for a taxi company.
Okay, so what does that entail? What's the full solution? Is it broken into 1, 2, 3 different products?
Yeah, that is, we provide the SIP trunks, the lines, the broadband, the telephone services to the taxi companies.
So simultaneous lines, so that's if I ring a taxi company and there can be 8 people answering on the same line, so that nobody ever gets an engaged signal and you can handle lots of calls?
That's correct, yeah. So we increase that depending on your size of the company and your requirements. If you need a 10 line, so you can have a 10 calls at the same time, the customer can ring, 10 people can ring at the same time, or if you need 20, or we set it up for you.
Okay, so the customer never misses a booking?
That's right, you never miss a call. If the customer doesn't hear a busy tone, every call goes to your operator.
What else is involved in your solution?
We also provide a call center solution for taxi companies. So we have in Pakistan a call center in Barrier Town, Pakistan, and at the moment we have about 85 plus staff working for the taxi industry in UK, and that's the call center for taxi companies. Okay,
so I'm a taxi company and I'm thinking about outsourcing. Why would I want to outsource, and what's the benefit of going with you guys?
Yeah, that's a good question. So what we do, we reduce your running cost. You can outsource some of your operators to our call center, and that works exactly the same way your operator works here. So we provide a dedicated space for your operator and dedicated operator. So we do not share your operator with a different company, and the cost is reduced as well. So we charge £3 per hour, and that's including everything, all the liabilities. You don't pay for any holiday pay and other requirement. It's all including in this price. Okay,
so that's a significant saving. What's the current working rate in the UK for a taxi operator?
I think it's £8.50 or something with the minimum wage, and we charge £3 per hour. So it's a massive saving. Yeah, you can save a lot of money.
Okay, so I'm a tax company. I'm thinking £5.50 per person that I employ can be saved per hour. That's massive. What challenges, is there any challenges involved in moving over to an outsourced telephone system, or do you ever get any apprehensive customers?
Because in the start we had, now we got a good experience how to set up the operators and train them. So we have a dedicated our training manager on site. They do, and they're expert in all the dispatch systems. And an iCabbi system, they train your operator for you. So that was one of the challenges, that how we're going to train, because before in the start we used to use the company to train the operator, but now we can do that training for them there. So we took that from the company.
And that's because you're getting customers who are all using the same iCabbi system, so the training is in place across the board as the new companies come on board.
That's right, yeah. So we have 27 plus companies, and everybody have 2 staff, 3, and some got about even 6, 7s as well, and that's how we got experience. So we got a dedicated IT staff, 24 hours on site, and shift managers every shift, so they look after the people. So you don't have to watch them on the camera or to look after them. You have a person there, you keep an eye on them, and to make sure that you do the job properly.
Is there any other features to your solution that you'd like to share with us?
So the call center is one of the great saving, and it might be for some company they want to reduce the staff from, and so if somebody need, they might outsource some staff and do not reduce from here, but want to get more calls. So you might be getting some missed calls. They cover that. So if the cost is the issue, for the small amount you can increase your fleet.
And of course, like the future of call taking, there is voice recognition in place now, but there are some people who are just always going to want to speak to an operator. So how important is it for you to have someone at the end of the line to take those calls and to offer good customer service?
Yeah, so there is a lot of automation going on. It might be for a company reducing the staff, but I will say because of the cost is compared to here, the cost is low. So I will say that our call center employee will be the last to go.
Absolutely. So Akbar, if you had one message for taxi companies on the iCabbi marketplace who are thinking about outsourcing their call taking, what would it be?
The message will be for the taxi companies, it'll be a great place to go. They can pick a right product for them, and they will have a lot of options available for the business. I think that will be something, a marketplace. I think we never had that before, and it'll be a good opportunity for every taxi company. They can go to one market and they can see all the products there, and they can pick the one best for them.
Super, so you can find out about more on Comms Source on their iCabbi marketplace page, which is where this video is sitting. So Akbar, it's been lovely chatting to you, especially because it's been so sunny.
Great to see you, thank you.